Baningi abantu abanezikhalazo futhi abampikisayo uFloyd Shivambu ngokuthi ethi he is the founder of i-EFFA. Thiwa nje lento aseqala ukuyenza izomkhandela inzondo engenasidingo. Babodwa-ke abathi njengoba ethi uyi-founder ye-EFF kungani angabanga i-president yayi-EFF kunokuthi ethi wa-recruiter uJulius Malema ukuthi abe president. Ube sethi-ke umlisi okhuluma kule video uma ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu uzoqhubeka enza ngale ndlela enza ngayo kuzophelela ngayo ngoba nakumkhonto wesizwe bazomxosha.
Not that I want to be too involved in the economic freedom fighters events, but Floyd Shivambu says that he founded the economic freedom fighters one man. I think you need to give this guy some help. One man, and then Julius Malema becomes the president. Even in the ANC Youth League, he was just a mere spokesperson. Him and Lozi, the same people who want to take Julius Malema down. Malema have been doing this thing since he was 11 years old. What are Floyd's credentials outside of ANC Youth League? Besides participating in VETS SRC. So it's like, even, what's this guy for Facebook Must Fall? It's even more credentialed as it relates to the VETS politics more than him. But okay, we are not there. He went to some 60-year-olds there in Mahoney's village people, and tell them that one man opened the economic freedom fighters, therefore is his intellectual property, and gave it its name, and gave it its ideology, and gave it its colors. It's a shame, man. I don't know what to say. It's even disappointing. It's even disappointing. It doesn't even warrant a response. It's a mere desperation to establish credibility outside of what the reality really looks like. I think you watch a lot of social media and hear people saying was the brain of the EFF. I'm telling you now, if this brother continues like this, it's over with him. Because MK also cannot be working with this guy.